Morning flight, kiss goodbye, waiting for your bright blue sky. Lonely night, where the angels cry, holding on to the sunrise. When you come back to me.
Sa pumili ng Cat Star, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung anong mensahe ng Panginoon para sa inyo. So, I feel like I need to cleanse. So, just go ahead and cleanse. I'm sensing na siguro mabait kang tao. So, to be honest with you, with regards sa inyong card, nasa-sense ko yung word na award here. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo, but may nakasulat siya na Meow Award. Okay? So, ibig sabihin lang nun na gustong sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon na huwag ka mag-alala with regards sa inyong finances at ganun din si career. Okay? And, I'm kinda like feel happiness here kahit nasabihin natin may ganito. Okay? Sa inyong cards. But yet, parang nangingibabaw si happiness and joy sa inyo. I feel na bibigyan ka rin ng panahon ng Panginoon para sa inyong sarili. Okay? But I feel like you're being called on to be introvert as of this time. At wag mong pagsasabi kung ano yung binabalak mo. Kasi I feel na baka may humadlang. I-clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. I have a feeling na you've been betrayed behind the scenes by somebody that you used to trust. Okay, I feel na meron ka talagang kaaway. Na-feel ko na kamag-anak niyo siya, malapit sa inyo. I feel na bully din siya forever is what I sense. Bully forever. Maybe you're aware that this person is a bully. Kasi kung forever, ibig sabihin, simula siguro nung bata siya, bully na siya. So, yun yung sign about it. So, yung mensahe sa'yo ng Panginoon na, may parating sa'yo na biyaya, but yet, He is reminding you na huwag ka maging prideful. Maging humble ka. Okay, gusto niya na maging ganun ka pa rin na mabuting tao despite of you having money or having abundance in your life. So, as I told you before that you do have to be introvert kasi may tao na hindi mabuti sa inyong buhay. I feel like this is more of a person that is a hater energy with regards to you. So, pero wala naman ako nasa-sense na meron ka rin ganong energy sa kanya kasi I feel like with regards to your energy, you're more on focus on your wealth, on your happiness and joy. Hindi ka masyado nakafocus sa inyong hater. I feel like whomever that is, you do have an awareness na itong tao na to ay bully. I feel na mga agaw din, so mag-ingat kayo. So, we have this illness and authentic, okay? So, I'm sensing here na maybe you're someone na parang sinasabihan na may sakit ka or something. But that with the authentic here, I feel like you know the truth. Okay? I feel na siguro pinapayuhan ka niya na itong bully pinapayuhan ka niya na let's say magpa-hospital, magpa-check up, pero wala ka naman sakit. Yun ang nafe-feel kong energy here. Kasi with the authentic, I feel like you are someone who knows if you are sick or not. Okay? So, mag-ingat kayo sa ganyan. Hindi naman pwedeng basta-basta na lang pumunta ng doctor or anything. Kasi, we can't trust all the doctors. I would say some doctors are nasty, Sasabihin nga ganito at ganyan yung sakit mo, pero hindi naman. Kasi, I experienced it with my relative na lalong lumala yung kondisyon simula nung, nagpapa-check up. I don't know what happened really. So, we have this memory and this protest. So, I feel na kung sino man yung hater mo, siya ay actually parang nagtatry na mag-seek ng attention from you. Honestly. So, with the memory, I'm sensing here na siguro tinatry niya pa rin na ipakita na ganun pa rin siya na tao. I feel na bully naman talaga siya. Simula nung umpisa pa lang. Pero siguro, ginagawa niya dito is parang pinapakita niya sa inyo na until now, he or she can be trusted. But I don't really feel that you can trust this person kasi nga bully. So, we have the self-love and this one. So, I'm sensing na kaya siya nag-seek na attention sa inyo kasi hindi mo siya pinapansin. I'm sensing that most of you are aware that whomever this person is, nagka-curse siya or may ginagawa siyang kalokohan behind the scenes. So, we have the cherish here. So, I'm sensing as well na if ever you do have a connection, I'm sensing that this person could be ill-wishing about your connection kasi gusto niya maging single ka, as you can see, para mapansin mo yung mga nambubuli sa'yo or mga taong hindi mabuti sa inyo. Parang ayaw ka niya mag-focus sa good things sa meron ka sa buhay kasi I feel na you do have blessings kasi award mo yan from God for being a good person. I'm sensing that you are a kind-hearted at hindi lang yon, pinakita din sa reading that you are authentic. Okay? I'm sensing as well that you are knowledgeable, to be honest with you. Parang na-sense ko dito yung message ni God for this day. Okay? Yung tungkol sa sinasabi niya na mag-ingat sa mga maling guidance. So, honestly, feel ko yung sakit sa throat na energy. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, kung sino man si bully na yan, pinipigilan ng Panginoon na magsalita yan. Kasi whatever this person is saying is kinda like, degrading you is what I feel. So, we have the sweetheart and idea. So, kung sino man si bully, alam niya na may lover ka. At yung gusto niya sana ay maging single ka. Okay? Parang gusto niya mangyari sirain yung connection para, maging ganito ka na lang, mag-isa ka na lang. As you can see, and I really feel like whomever that person is na mahal mo, talagang mahal mo siya. Okay? Na-feel ko dito yung sakit sa damdamin na energy. So, siguro gusto ng taong ito na masama, gusto kanya ma-depress. Yun yung gusto niya mangyari. Kasi as of this time, nakita ka niyang go-getter. Nakita ka niya na masaya kasi may lover ka. Masaya ka rin dahil may blessing ka. So, anyway, so we have this card, Cat Star. So, well, congratulations guys kasi meron kayong award. So, I feel like you will be overwhelmed with joy kasi gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na patuloy ang dating sa iyo ng biyaya kasi you are somebody who's actually did a good job. Maybe you're somebody na nagpo-fulfill ng mission work mo dito sa mundo. Or maybe you're someone that is definitely authentic and be trusted. And I feel like you have a light-hearted energy. Hindi ko na feel na kayo ay masama. So, let's see what else do we have here. So, we have this one. Siguro natatakot si hater mo na umasenso ka or maging masaya ka kasi balance. So, as of now, balance si buhay mo. Kasi maybe you do have a career, you also have a love life. So, balance. You have that. Okay, walang lacking is what I feel. So, we have the present here. We also got this one. So, you live in the present moment and everything is okay sa inyong buhay. We also have this key, which is good times. So, na-unlock si good times mo. So, we have the 4 in reverse. We also have this one. So, your somebody definitely is a truth speaker. So, maybe sa submission mo is magsabi ng katotohanan. Kasi actually, if you're speaking, the truth, it can actually break spells, especially illusion spells, okay? Kasi may mga tao na, let's say, nagkakalat ng chismis, hindi naman totoo. And if you tell the truth or show the truth to the world, then magbe-break it down kung ano man ang illusion or lies na nilalagay nila doon. So, we also have this one, greed, here. Okay, so gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na don't be greedy. Kasi, to be honest with you, may dumating na biyaya sa inyo at gusto sana ng Panginoon na, okay lang na bumili ng bagay-bagay pero wag mong i-overdo it. Okay? To the point na maging greedy ka. So, yun yung gusto niya sabihin. So, good times is in here, but it's in reverse kasi good natin na dito sa baba. Okay? So, ibig sabihin lang nun na hindi pa tamang panahon for you na parang magliwaliw ka. Okay? Kasi I feel na parang gusto ka ng Panginoon na mag-save ng pera. Yun yung nafe-feel ko. So, I really feel like you will be overwhelmed with the blessings. Kasi I feel na madami. Okay? Parang patuloy yung dating. Kasi award mo yun eh. Okay? So, maybe for some of you, if you are an influencer, yung isa siguro sa sinasabi ng Panginoon na matutuwa ka kasi maraming tao ang nanonood sa'yo or maybe they are appreciative of what you're doing or they like what you do. So, that's why you will gain following as well if ever you're into social media. Okay? So, I feel like I need to cleanse. So, just go ahead and cleanse. Parang itong reading na to tungkol siya sa gustong ipaalam ng Diyos sa inyo. So, I think that you're already been aware that there's someone that's against you. I feel like a backstabber person. At saka yung mensahe niya sa inyo is live in the present moment. So, tama lang yung ginagawa niyo. Kasi first of all, nakita ko naman sa reading, focus ka sa mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa inyo. I'm sensing my forever. Okay, wonder why that forever is coming in. Another. Okay. So, I feel na kung sino man to nang bubuli, lagi siyang minamalas sa love department, okay? Anyway, so kaya ka pala niya binubuli kasi ito yung nangyayari sa kanyang buhay sa ngayon. Okay? Gusto kong ipaalam sa'yo ng Panginoon na kung sino man si bully na yan, binubuli ka niya kasi siya parang paurong. Okay? What do I mean by that? Kasi for me, kung naka-upright ito, parang meron kang future, alam mo yung mangyayari sa future, kampante ka na, and so on. Pero ito ay baliktad, okay? So, I feel na ginagawa niya ito kasi gusto niya na mangyari din ito sa'yo. Ayaw kanyang umangat, ayaw kanyang umasenso. So, with the star being here, so gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon that whatever you're doing, I feel na it's definitely something that is destined for you. Kaya ipagpatuloy mo lang, guys. Okay. So, anyway, I feel na mag-ingat ka talaga sa tao na nagmamanifest na mawala yung iyong love life. As you can see, kasi gusto niya na maghiwalay ikaw with your person. So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon sa'yo na ipagpatuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo, okay? Kasi feel na with the Emperor in reverse, parang may pumipigil sa'yo na umasenso. And yeah, you are a truth speaker. As you can see. So kaya ka rin siguro may mga kaaway kasi you're somebody who speaks your truth. As you can see. So anyway, this is nice. So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon sa'yo na kahit ilang beses din ang paulit-ulit na parang gusto nilang tanggalin yung iyong love life, maganda pa rin si ending. Kasi I feel na yung connection nyo naman ay may passion. And I feel here na okay naman yung iyong love life. Actually, sumakit yung throat ko nung hinawakan ko to. And I think na parang yung taong yun talaga, may blockage sa kanyang throat. Kung sino man si hater mo. Nasa sense ko yan. So lang yung may negative na energy dito actually. Siguro pinipigilan siya magsalita kasi kung ano sinasabi niya hindi nakakabuti kasi nga bully siya. Alright? So anyway, whatever this person is saying, don't believe it. Kasi ito yung gusto niya mangyari na mawala yung love life at mawala rin yung iyong work. So gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon, yes, just go after kung naman ang ginagawa mo sa ngayon. Going with the flow. Huwag masyadong pansinin si hater. And I feel like you don't have to take good care of your love life too. Pray over to God for protection. Kasi nga may nagtatry na i-destroy yung iyong love life, ganun din yung iyong career. Okay? So anyway, that's it with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and God bless all of you. Sa pumili ng treatment card, ito ang inyong reading. Tignan natin kung ano mensahe ng Panginoon para sa inyo. I'm sensing the song, if there is one more gift, I ask of you, Lord, it will be peace here on earth. So, may tao siguro na nagsamantala sa iyong kabutihan. I feel like whomever that is, itong tao na to, meron siyang evil entity within. At I'm sensing as well na pinatrabaho ka niya. Maybe that's also the reason why you have an issue with regards to your health. So, I'm not sure if you are believing na kung ano man ang nararamdaman nyo ngayon ay kinda like health issue na mareresolbahan ng doktor. But I don't see it here. I-clarify natin yung cards. I feel like it's more unlikely nangyari yun. Siguro may binigay sa'yo na poisonous stuff or maybe kinulam ka. I-clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. I'm sensing mensahe, huwag ka mag-alala sa inyong buhay. Si Friday naka-reverse. I wonder why. Another. I'm sensing breakup and makeup story. So, I'm also sensing about childhood dreams. And I feel like sadness here hugs to every one of you. Maybe that's why you're here. So anyway, ito yung iyong card. So far, I feel like ito yung pangarap mo na may magmahal sa'yo or maging successful sa love life as well as yung iyong career. I feel like for some of you, maybe business, success in business. And we have the Fright in reverse here and fight, okay? So far, I feel like you're deeply hurt. And I'm sensing as well, like with the fight, parang malungkot ka about sa away, but yet with a fright in reverse, maybe hindi ka naman takot sa iyong kaaway. Parang nalungkot ka lang dahil may nalaman ka siguro. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So, nabanggit ko kanina may curse. Okay, so far you are cursed. Maybe because of the reason na napakita mo na may kinikita ka and you are definitely proud about it and you are definitely hopeful about something. So, ibig sabihin lang nun kung sino may nag-curse sa'yo, nagsiselos siya kasi nakikita niya na maganda yung nangyayari sa'yo with regards sa inyong career. So, kinurse ka niya, maybe that's the reason why you have this illness or you're treating yourself. So, mag-ingat ka guys kasi kung sino man yung nag-curse sa'yo, ito yung tao na open ka sa kanya. We have this one. But yet, kung sino man siya ay mapagbalat kayo. Maybe nagpapanggap siyang kaibigan mo, ka-close. But yet, this person is manipulating you. Baka siya yung nag-manipulate sa'yo na magpa-check up pa kahit wala ka naman sakit. Okay? Or pwede rin na may mga bagay na sinasabi siya para pigilan yung iyong negosyo or yung magandang nangyayari sa inyong buhay. So, you have the loneliness and a voice here. So far, iwasan nyo guys sa maging vocal kasi I'm sensing na may mga taong naiinggit sa'yo. Kaya patungo sa loneliness yung iyong buhay kasi maybe someone is still wishing on you. Remember, may mga taong inggit. Okay, pag nagpo-post tayo, nainggit sila, naglalagay sila ng negative energy sa mga pinapost mo, kaya mapapansin mo talaga na parang minamalas ka and so on. So, might as well, ugaliin nyo, wag mag-post. Okay? Maging introvert kayo, kundi yung mapigilan din, you can post with private. O pwede rin na ilagay nyo na lang sa scrapbook or diary. Kaysa naman sa ganyan, naglalagay ng negativity. Kaya ito siguro yung nangyari, nangangarap ka na ganito. As you can see, kasi you feel like parang nawawala yung mga bagay na pinopost mo. So, might as well iwasan yung mag-posting. Actually, mas magaan yung pakiramdam mo kapag, na-realize mo, malayo ka sa pagpo-posting. Iba yung buhay. Okay. Medyo magulo kasi pag masyado kang active sa social media. So, we have this one, authentic and third wheel. So, maybe kaya nangangarap kayo na magkaroon sana kayo ng karelasyon na okay, mapagmahal, hindi nagte-third party. Kasi first of all, with the authentic being here, you're definitely honest with regards sa relationship and you don't really deserve yung third party. So, nasense ko pa rin yung kalungkutan na energy with regards to it. Hugs to every one of you. So, anyway, yung mensahe ng Panginoon for you is that, umiwas ka sa mga payo ng iba ng hindi okay. Kasi maybe you are being coached, but that it's leading on you to this. Okay, parang may nagpe-betray sa inyo guys, na I feel like following the leader energy. Like, you're following this person's advice at kung fina-follow mo siya, laging napupunta ka sa hindi mabuting sitwasyon. So, sana matutunan kayo sa pagkakamali. Kasi with the treatment being here, so, maybe kung sino man yun na hindi mabuti sa inyong buhay, this person keep tabs on you. At nakikita ka rin yung nade-depress. Nakikita ka rin yung, pag masaya ka and so on. It is not good. So, yung mensahe mainly sa inyong reading is more likely pinapakita sa inyo ng Panginoon na may tao sa inyong buhay na hindi okay. And I think that what happened here, meron din sigurong pagkakataon na may away kayo guys with this person. I think that God is kind of like showing you the true colors of whomever this is. Kaya may mga fights na nangyayari or pinipilit ang Panginoon na malayo ka sa taong yan kasi first of all, based sa reading mo, hindi siya nakakabuti for you. Binibigyan kaya ng mga tips, advice na hindi maayos sa'yo. So, I'm not sure why, but I sense some of it could be a doctor. Okay, binibigyan ka ng maling treatment. That can be as well. So, maybe some of you, it may resonate. So, let's see what else do we have here. So, we have yun nga, may naiinggit sa'yo, pero siguro na pag nakita niya maganda yung nangyayari sa iyong buhay. So, that's why you have to be introvert kasi nilalagyan nila ng negativity yung iyong buhay. So, I also see kind of like creative blockage here. And we have the yes. So, kung sino may naiinggit na yan, minamanifest niya na magkaroon ka ng blockage. If ever you're into arts, parang gusto niya i-wish ka na magkaroon ka sana ng creative blockage. Or gusto niyang i-block ka to do something. So, we have the 3. So, it reminds me of the third wheel here. Siguro laging third party situation yun sa iyong love life. So, we have the apple in reverse. So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na umiwas ka na magkaroon ka ng tao na parang nakukuha lang sa tingin. Meaning, parang may gusto siyang bagay dahil sa itsura. Pero, hindi siya actually yung someone na, minamahal niya yung tao. Parang minahal niya yung tao dahil sa mukha, pero hindi dahil sa totoong nararamdaman. So, I feel na kayo nagkakaroon ka ng third-party situations kasi mga pinipili mong tao is someone na naakit lang sa mukha. So, iwas ka sa mga ganun tao kasi talagang kalalabasan yan is yung tao mo ay magiging, what they call this, cheater. I feel like balimbing, to be honest. Kasi remember, yung beauty natin, hindi siya forever eh. Diba, tumatanda tayo. Paano kung nag-fade yung ganda mo? Titingin na naman yan ng ibang maganda. Yun yung malungkot pag ganyan yung tao. So, sana, you're liking a person na hindi ganyan. So, we have this one in reverse. We have the lie in reverse. And we have the tower in reverse. Nalungkot ako dito, guys. Kasi I feel like whomever is this na nagsasabotage sa'yo, I think that you're still dealing with this person. And sad news na hindi mo siya nakikita na sinungaling. Okay. So, si tower natin naka-reverse, ibig sabihin na hindi pa nag-ending yung relasyon. If ever fight didn't happen yet, I feel like it might happen kasi pinipilit ka ng Panginoon na paalisin sa buhay ng taong ito dahil di siya mabuti sa'yo. And anyway, let's see what else do we have here. I sense sad news. Okay. Parang gusto mo isipin na may pag-asa pa ba yung love life? Kasi feeling ko yun yung missing sa inyong life. I think that most of you already have a job or a business. Okay? So far, bago si love life, kailangan mo muna resolbahan yung tao na nagbe-betray sa'yo. Magkakaroon muna ng away. At malaman mo muna yung katotohanan about this person. Kasi as of now, you still trust whomever that is. Okay? So, mangyari nga na sikasuhin mo muna yung iyong money, yung iyong career. At saka with the Hermit in reverse, siguro yung nangyari dito is madalas ka na lang magkaroon ng relasyon at parang wala kang masyadong panahon na ikaw ay single. I think that God is calling you on to love yourself. Kasi baka nangyari niya na sanay ka na mag-please ang tao na nakalimutan mo na yung iyong sarili, which is definitely sad. Kaya si Hermit natin naka-reverse. So, kailangan mo nung maranasan na maging single muna, okay? And with this one, I feel here na, oh, this is nice. Kasi gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na kahit wala kang relasyon, siguro ikaw yung tipong tao na parang umaasa na magkaroon ka siguro ng partner na mag-ahon din sa'yo. But yet, in your reading, it shows na kaya mo tumayo mag-isa, guys, which is nice. Okay, so gusto ni God na makita mo yung iyong strength, that you can actually do everything even on your own. Kasi some of you could be thinking like, I need a person to guide me. Okay? So magkakaroon ka ng realization na, you can actually do it on your own. Kasi maybe ito'y nangyayari na until now, you're searching for the one, for the person, and so, pero hindi dumarating. Kasi, gusto ng Panginoon na makita mo yung iyong strength, magtiwala ka sa iyong sarili. Okay? So, yun yung kanyang mensahe. So, if ever you're looking for a lover, I have a feeling na hindi pa tamang panahon sa ngayon. Kailangan mo kasing resolbahan muna kung sino man tong nagsasabotage sa iyo. Might as well mag-introvert ka. And if ever you don't know who this is, ask for a sign from God. Okay? Kasi isipin mo na rin kung paano, kung binigay na ng Panginoon sa'yo yung lover na yun. Diba? And you still have these negative people around. Baka mangyari niyan, isabotage siya yung iyong connection. Yung nangyari kasi sa iyong reading, meron kang career, right? And then, yung tao na yun na negative sa iyong buhay, sinabotage na yung iyong career. What more kung may tao ka? Baka yun yung isabotage na yung connection nyo. So, sana isipin mo rin na, I feel na nasa tamang panahon saka mo mamimit si the one. So, may dahilan ng Diyos is what I sense. Kaya to pinakita yung reading na to para malaman mo kung bakit. Okay, I hope that you resolve first kung ano yung problem mo with someone. Ialis mo yung sarili mo sa kanya. Kasi until now, this person is kinda like manipulating you. Huwag ka na magpabudol. Kung nabudol ka dati, mabubudol ka na naman. Huwag ka nang pumayag, guys. Okay, yun na nga mapapayo ko. So anyway, that's it. And God bless all of you. Sa pumili ng Prophet's card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung ano mensahe ng Panginoon para sa inyo. So, I'm feeling na meron sigurong bumabagabag sa inyong isipan at naguguluhan ka kaya introvert ka sa ngayon because you are divinely guided to do that. Kasi may mga tao sa inyong buhay na nagde-demand for your attention. Pero I don't see na you're giving them the attention. Kasi I feel here na may dahilan din ng Diyos kung bakit kanya nalayo sa mga taong iyon. Marahil kung sino man sila, nakatira siguro sila malayo sa inyo or pinaglayo ng Diyos yung inyong landas with that person na nagdedemand sa inyo ng attention. I feel like evil karmic, honestly speaking. And I feel like you wanna say to the Lord, you don't wanna be reminded about them. You move on and so. But yet, with this message, maybe, may gusto na siya sabihin sa inyo about whatever's going on. So anyway, clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. I feel like yung iba sa inyo meron kayong ahas na kapatid. So, mag-ingat kayo. If ever hindi man kapatid, maybe, I really feel like kamag-anak nyo talaga, guys. Pero itong taon na to, I feel na malayo ka sa kanila. Iba siguro nakatira sa ibang bahay na or apartment. Okay? Really forgive about the noise. And I feel like God is letting it happen na lumayo yung taong ito sa inyong buhay. Kasi I feel like harassment as well is what I sense. Marami ka na pagdaanan. So we have this. So gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na mag-focus ka lang sa iyong trabaho. And I feel like whatever you achieve now in your career, worth it ka. Kasi you are someone who is definitely focused on achieving your goals, which is definitely nice. Next thing that we have is promise and protect. So, I feel here na kung meron ka mang karelasyon, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na pinoprotektahan niya yung iyong relationship with that person. Alright, kasi I kinda like feel na may promise na dito. Maybe some of you are even married with that person, or maybe I feel here na talagang genuine connection yung meron ka sa ngayon. If ever you don't have this yet, may parating na ganyan, at sa oras na matagpuan mo yung tamang tao sa'yo, pinoprotektahan ng Panginoon yung inyong connection. So, you're being protected from bullies, and that's also the reason why nilayo ka ng Panginoon sa ganitong tao. Maybe you're wondering why, kung bakit bigla na lang nilalayo yung mga taong kakilala mo dati, nagka-close mo. Ito ay dahil maybe behind the scenes, they are bullying you. Maybe they are, gossiping about you. And so, anyway, gusto sabihin din ng Panginoon na may mga tao na nagsiselos marahil sa ginagawa mo at gusto nilang i-stop yung ginagawa mo. So, kung sino man yung taong yan with the connected being here, I feel na parang pinagmamasdan ka niya kung ano yung ginagawa mo. And maybe you have an idea about something, maybe about a business, or pwede rin sabihin natin na may gusto ka sanang gawin. Pero itong taon na to parang pinipilit niyang i-stop ko naman yung idea mo. So, mag-ingat ka sa ganyan tao. Might as well na kung may balak kang gawin, and so, ilihim mo na lang. And when I hold these cards, actually sumakit sa lalamunan kasi I'm feeling na meron siyang blockage with regards sa kanyang throat. Kasi I feel na if ever this person will use their voice, it could be, ginagamit nila yung voice nila sa mali. Kaya yun nga, binablock ng Panginoon yung kanilang throat. Siguro pinipilit sila na magsabi ng katotohanan. And so, or pinipigilan sila magsalita kasi nakakasakit yung kanilang mga sinasabi. I really feel bully yung energy. So, anyway, this is actually sad kasi you do have that dreams, as you can see. And God is wanting you to know na yun nga, napapansin mo lumalayo yung mga tao sa inyo, may mga away na nangyayari kasi hindi yung paraan ng Panginoon para maprotektahan ka from these certain people. Kasi parang ikaw yung plant na napapalibutan ng mga masasamang elemento kagaya ng mga weeds, mga hindi mabuting mga insekto. So, yun nga, nilalayo ka ng Panginoon doon para ikaw naman ay lumago with regards sa career. So, maybe this is how you're feeling, that you're lonely, that you feel like you're alone. Kasi, marami kang kaaway or feeling mo against sa'yo yung mga tao. Kasi I feel like it's for the best kaya nangyari yung conflict para maalis ka with these people or para maiwasan mo sila at para makilala mo sila ng lubos. Para maging eye-opener na rin for you. So, yeah, this is actually nice, okay? Because to be honest, I'm sad somehow kasi you could be looking for that love. Nalulungkot ka kasi nakita mo betrayal. Pero parang yung expectation mo sana, gusto mo naman na mahalin ka, hindi i-hate. So far, I feel na gusto sabihin ng Panginoon sa'yo na you are loved. And you're always searching for love, but yet you are loved, is what I see here. So, anyway, yan nga, may gustong mag-control sa'yo kasi you do have a potential to be rich, as you can see. Mag-ingat ka guys kasi maybe they're ill-wishing on you to have this accident. At I feel na ilayo ka ng Panginoon sa mga tao kasi may tendency ka rin na makontrol ng iba, which is not good. So, anyway, balik na naman sa love life. So far with the live and learn, I'm sensing here na if ever you're single, make sure that you're learning from the past. Okay? Kasi with the pride being here, I feel na yung isa mo dapat patutunan is maging humble din. Okay? Kaya rin siguro mga ganito yung nangyayari sa'yo to humble you. Kasi gusto sana ni God na maging tama ka na tao for the tamang tao sa iyong buhay. So, kung hindi mo pa na-meet si the one, ibig sabihin lang nun, you know, you're still learning on how to humble yourself, on how to be a good person for the right person. Okay? At kung sakali man may partner na talaga kayo, mahal niyo yung isa't isa, gusto rin ipalam sa inyo ng Panginoon na you know, you already learned from the past. Kaya pinagbigyan na niya yung relasyon mo with that person. Okay? So, next thing that we have is this one. So, may mensahe rin ng Panginoon sa'yo na yung lover mo, may potential kayo na tumira sa isang bubong. Kasi I really feel na talagang maganda yung connection mo with your current partner. So, we have the light here. So, I'm sensing that kailangan mo rin talaga yung tao na to kasi some of you, you are destined na may gawin for this world. And I'm sensing na whomever yung lover na pinili ng Panginoon for you, he or she is definitely supportive of your work for this world, which is nice. At saka feeling ko kasi tutulungan ka ng taong ito sa inyong divine mission work here on earth. And I feel like that mission has to do with giving food to the needy or giving alms to the poor. Kasi maraming nangangailangan. Okay? So, if ever that is your mission work to provide for the poor, I would say na, you know, may potential talaga na yumaman ka kasi syempre, gusto sana ng Panginoon na magbigay ka sa mga mahihirap na yan. And that's the reason why God provides for you. At saka nakita rin siguro ng mga haters mo, ng mga taong nagsiselos, yung potential na yumaman ka. Kasi, yun nga, kaya ganito sila mag-acting na ayaw ka nilang yumaman. But yet, it has to happen because of your mission work here on earth. So, let's see what else do we have here. So, we have this harm. So, mag-ingat talaga kayo sa mga tao na hindi mabuti for you. Kaya nilalayo ka ng Diyos sa kanila. So, we have the work. We also have the key. So, may susi kayo guys with regards sa career na maging successful. Kaya, you know, meron talaga mga tao na nag-ill wish or nag-harm sa'yo. Ingat kayo guys at wag basta-basta talaga magtiwala. Mag-introvert na lang kayo kasi based on your reading, pinakita naman ng Panginoon na may nagtatry talaga i-stop yung ginagawa mo. So, we have the good times. Dalawa na yung susi natin, pansin ko. Okay? So, ibig sabihin kasi na susi, opportunities. Alright? So, you have the impact in either way. We also have this one in reverse. Okay? So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na huwag kang pumayag na magkaroon ng impact sa'yo yung mga masasamang tao na yan. Kasi sa oras na bigyan mo sila ng ganitong opportunity na kontrolin ka, paano mo magagampanan yung mission mo for this world? Pinakita lang sa'yo ng Panginoon yung dahilan kung ba't may mga away na nangyayari, conflict, and so, kasi yun yung paraan ng Panginoon para malayo ka sa maling connection in order for you to find the true friends and the true love that you're looking for. Kasi I feel like you deserve it. Kasi first of all, I don't see the reading that you are a bad person. I feel na gusto mo lang talagang umasenso with regards sa money. And I feel like it will be fulfilled dahil sa mission mo for this world. So anyway, let's see what else do we have here. Okay, they asked me to cleanse, so just go ahead and cleanse. I feel like you need to pay attention to the signs of heaven for you kasi I feel like you're being called on to be introvert during this period. At kahit yung iyong tao dapat hindi masyadong magbahagi ng mga nangyayari sa inyong buhay kasi I kinda like feel like there are some people na judgmental or bully. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga taong ganyan. Okay. I feel like huwag ka mag-alala with regards sa finances kasi I really see na angat ka with regards sa inyong career. Alright? So, ito siguro yung nangyari na meron ka ng idea kasi we see an idea here. Right? Meron taong pumipigil. So, maybe you do have a tendency na dahil doubtful ka, baka may nasasabihan ka na friend mo or malapit sa'yo na sa palagay mo ba ganito ganyan? Yun na nasasabi mo sa inyong tao. Hinalungkot ako dito guys. Huwag kayong mag-expect na magandang, let's say, payo. Kasi I really feel na meron kang backstabber na tao sa inyong buhay. Okay? So far, I feel na may mangyari rin sa'yo na panahon for you to think about things kasi you're dealing with the wrong people here. And with the Justice and Queen of Wands, I kinda like see na meron kang tao na sinasabihan kung ano man yung idea mo na meron ka sa buhay at titignan mo yung tao na to as someone na upright, someone na magaling with regards sa negosyo and so, but yet that person is someone na inaalis sa inyo ng ng Panginoon. Okay? Kasi yung taong yun, hindi siya mabuti for you. So, nagpapakita ang Panginoon ng sign sa inyo, maybe through dreams na rin, para kayo ay matauhan kasi iba yung tingin mo sa taong gumagawa sa iyo ng mali. Okay, so ibig sabihin lang nun, nilalayo ka niya sa maling tao as you can see here. Kaya ito nakabaliktad kasi with the Page of Pentacles being here, I feel like you want to go after something. At ayaw ng Panginoon na yung taong iyon na hindi mabuti sa inyong buhay, pagmamasdan yung bawat takbo mo sa inyong buhay. Kaya yan naka-reverse. Okay? Kasi nilalayo ka ng Panginoon sa tao na hindi nagbibigay sa inyo ng kaligayahan, sa tao na, ayaw ka umasenso. Kasi kung sino man yan, parang hanggang nakadikit ka sa kanya, parang laging kalungkutan yung nangyayari or kamalasan din with regards sa inyong career. I feel yung sadness dito. Siguro nalulungkot yung Panginoon na He's seeing you as someone who trusts this person, yet that person is causing you troubles or giving you negative advices and so mag-ingat ka sa taong yan. At ginagawa ng paraan ng Panginoon para malayo ka sa Kanya at para magising ka sa katotohanan kasi some of you are still believing that whomever that is, he or she is a good person. But that in God's perspective, hindi siya okay for you kasi first of all, behind the scenes, may ginagawa siyang kalokohan against you. So, might as well, if ever you're planning something, might as well, wag mo na lang ipagsabi. Ilihim mo na lang yun at you go after it. Whatever you think about, try it. Okay? So, anyway, that's it with regards to your reading. Sana magbigay sa inyo ito ng inyong insight. Okay? And God bless all of you. Sa pumili ng starving card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung ano ang mensahe ng Panginoon for you. I kinda like feel toxic energy. Feeling mo maraming nagbe-betray sa inyo or maraming mga tao na against sa inyo. And I'm sensing as well true love or true colors too. So, I'm going to clarify to gain more information. So, I am sensing na mag-ingat ka sa mga tao kasi I feel like mostly nakasalamuha mo ay negative and you're wondering why. Kasi I feel like you're not vibing with these people. So, I'm not sure if you live in an apartment na yung mga nakatira doon hindi okay sa'yo or pwede rin nakatira ka sa iyong kamag-anak, kaibigan, pero hindi mo sila kasundo. Madalas yung away, yun yung nafe-feel ko dito. So anyway, God wants you to know that you are loved by heaven, as you can see. At kahit na mag-isa ka lang, you will definitely feel loved. Okay, I feel like not by the people around you, but I feel like loved by God and His angels. Also, we have this saving and fight. So, I'm sensing that if ever you do have the money, I'm feeling that you really have to save the money. Kasi baka mangyari ay may away at baka anytime soon paalisin ka kung saan ka man nakatira sa ngayon. Kasi first of all, everyone around you is attacking you or hurting you. So God is wanting you to save money para maging handa ka if ever that may happen to you. Lesson that we have is this one. So, I'm sensing here na feeling ko malungkot ka kasi you're definitely feeling na yung mga kaibigan mo I feel like merong malapit sa inyo na may gusto sa inyo but you're not comfortable about it. Parang feeling ko kasi ko yung tipong tao na parang nawala na ng tiwala dahil sa mga nangyari sa inyong buhay. So, one of your friends is interested in you but I feel like it's more on the looks kaya kanya nagugustuhan. Parang ayaw mo sa taong yun. Feeling ko lumalayo ka sa kanya. Yung energy mo malayo sa kanya. Kasi you're actually looking for someone na mapagmahal. Okay? And I feel like your goal is, with regards to money. And your goal also is also wanting a person that truly cares for you. Okay? Lesson that we have is this one. So, you're looking for someone who truly will help you, as you can see. At saka, naghanap din siguro kayo ng trabaho or career. So, we have the rejoice here. So, I feel like God is wanting to know and na huwag kang mag-give up hope. Kasi darating yung panahon, mahanap mo rin yung tao na nagkikare sa'yo. At saka, someday you will do have that job and you will be happy again. Kasi I feel na sa ngayon siguro depressed ka and dahil nga, na-overwhelmed ka sa mga nalalaman mo sa paligid. So, if the hesitation and guide, so far gusto sabihin ng Panginoon that you're divinely guided. Kasi siguro may mga problema kang hinaharap sa ngayon. So, yung magagawa ng Panginoon for you is i-guide ka. And I feel like someone may help you. So, dalawa yung card natin with regards sa helping. So, you also have this one as well, that somebody will help you sa iyong problemang hinaharap. And with the guide, yeah, you're also being guided by heaven, as you can see. So, sa ngayon siguro ito yung pakiramdam mo na malungkot ka kasi nga may mga tao sa iyong paligid na ganito yung kanilang vibes sa'yo, na hinihate ka nila, nainis sila sa inyo, and so on. But based on your reading, hindi ko naman nakikita dito ba't sila naiinis sa'yo. Parang, feeling ko yung, ang pagmamaliit sa'yo or so forth, parang walang dahilan eh. Marahil siguro dahil, hindi ka pa nakapag-achieve with regards sa career, kaya ka hindi tinatrato ng maayos. But yet, God is wanting to know that, this will be over. Starving na yan. Kasi darating yung panahon na bibigyan ka niya ng trabaho. Okay? At ng taong tutulong sa inyo. So, let's check what else. So, we have this one, freedom. So, you will have freedom someday. We have feel in either way. So, yun nga, nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na parang nawalan ka na ng tiwala kahit sa kaibigan mo. Okay? Kasi feeling ko talaga may nagkakagusto sa inyo, but yet I don't feel that you have feelings with that person. I feel like parang aware ka na gusto ka lang niya dahil sa kagandahan or kagwapuhan, pero true love, wala. Siguro yung nafe-feel mo sa kanya, or hindi mo siguro gusto yung kanyang pag-uugali. So, we have this one in reverse. We also got the loss in either way. We also have the broke in reverse. So, nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na this will be over. Yung pagiging broke with regards sa money. It will be gone someday. Kaya naka-reverse si broke. And you will be able to break free from these losses or from the wrong people. At hindi ka na magiging malungkot. Kasi sa ngayon yan yung vibe mo. Pero darating din yung panahon na magkakaroon ka rin ng maliligayang araw. Pag nakaraos ka na with regards sa ganitong kahirapan. So we have this one. And we have also the 7 in reverse. 7, which means luck, diba? So, I'm sensing na meron pa rin naka-lock dito. Okay? And I'm sensing na it's not what God is doing. Kasi sa 7, naka-reverse. 7 kasi symbolism yan ng Panginoon, or pwede rin luck. Honestly. But God is not the one who's blocking it. I'm sensing na meron siguro nagbablock ng inyong career, ng inyong wealth, or para lumago ka. I feel like it's more likely about people around you. So, gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon na may mangyayaring away, as you can see. Kaya, mag-save ka ng pera. Paghandaan mo yun kasi kailangan ka talaga malayo sa mga taong yan kasi hindi ka aangat kapag, nandun ka pa rin sa mga taong nasa paligid mo. I'm sensing that you will have that freedom once that you have the money, honestly speaking. Kasi hindi ka makakaalis kapag wala ka pa nun. Kasi first of all, paano kung pinalayas ka, wala kang kapera-pera, saan ka pupulutin? Saan ka magsisimula muli? So, sa ngayon, if ever you're still living there, at hindi ka pa napapaalis, yun, ang dahilan doon kasi hindi ka pa handa. Okay? Ayaw ng Panginoon na ilagay ka sa gera na hindi ka handa. Gusto niya na handa ka, at once na handa ka, saka pa lang ito mangyayari, na may mangyayaring away, at dahil sa away na yan, ilalayo ka niya sa mga maling tao, and once that you get out of it, that is when things will change. At ito ay ma-unlock na rin kasi siguro yung mga taong yan kaya hindi ka umasenso kasi binablock nila yung iyong success. Okay? So anyway, let's see what else do we have here. Okay, they asked me to cleanse first, so just go ahead and cleanse. I feel na mag-ingat ka sa mga nakapalibot na tao sa'yo. Kasi I feel like hindi mo sila mapagkakatiwalaan at huwag kang masyadong umasa sa kanila. Nafe-feel ko na marahil sa palang luluwag yung buhay mo kapag naalis ka sa mga taong yan. Kasi sa ngayon talaga depressing moments yung nararanasan mo. Feeling ko oppression din. Hugs to every one of you. I feel like God will definitely find a way to rescue you from this hurt, okay? So, if ever bully mga kasama mo sa bahay or kung saan ka man sa ngayon, maybe sa work mo, ganyan yung energy ng mga tao, I'm sensing na gusto niya sabihin sa'yo na inaalis niya yung kalungkutan mo. Okay, hinihil ka niya sa mga bumabagabag sa inyo. Kasi ito yung gusto mong mangyari na balansehin yung iyong buhay. Okay? So, the next thing that we have is this one. So, nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na yung mga nakapalibot sa inyong tao, iba yung turing nila sa iyo. Okay? At nalulungkot ako dito, kaya ganun sila umacting kasi malayo sila sa Panginoon. Or maybe wala silang panahon para sa Diyos, kaya ganun na lang sila. So, may mapapayo sa'yo ng Panginoon na I feel na iwasan mo mag-exchange ng words muna, especially if you're aware that you don't have much of a money to break free. Okay? So, yun nga, kailangan mong umalis sa tahanan na yon para ikaw naman ay magkaroon ng money. At magkaroon ka ng success. Okay? So, I'm sensing here as well, like with this one, ibig sabihin lang nun, na kung ano man yung career na for you, it's something that you're definitely wanting. At saka talaga interesado ka dun, and that is your passion. So, hugs to every one of you, kasi buo ng reading mo, nasa-sense ko talaga yung kalungkutan. Hugs to everyone. Sana makaraos kayo, sana malayo kayo sa mga ganitong tao. Kasi nakikita ko na may sinasabi silang di maganda sa inyo, kaya hinihil ng Diyos. Okay? Or pwede rin na may naririnig kayong hindi magandang bagay, labas agad sa kabilang tenga. Kasi, ayaw ni God na ilagay mo lahat yung masinasabi nila sa inyong puso. Kasi first of all, sinasabi lang nila yun para ma-discourage ka. Wag ka sana ma-discourage kasi first of all, as there will come a time wherein ikaw naman yung nasa taas. At sila naman yung nasa mababa. Alam mo yung gulong? Okay? Minsan nasa taas ka, minsan nasa baba ka. So, dating din yung panahon na aasenso ka. But before that, you really have to get away from these certain people na didiktahan ka, ino-oppress ka, and so manalangin ka lang sa Panginoon, trust in Him. Na-sense ko talaga yung iba sa inyo ay nalalungkot, umiiyak sa mga nangyayari. Hugs to every one of you. Always trust the Lord. Nagawa ang paraan ng Diyos for you to get out of it. I really feel soon for some of you, but that God is also waiting ang perfect time kung handa ba kayo. Kasi I feel na saka palang haandar yung Panginoon pag nakita niya na meron ka ng enough resources for you to survive. Kasi nga yung mangyari dito is aalis ka talaga sa mga taong yan. Okay, so anyway, that's it guys with your reading. Hugs to every one of you and God bless you.